A very good morning to all my dear children. We are in part 2 of the chapter Networking Concept of chapter 1 of class 8. Now, what is the network interface card? A network interface card is used to physically attach a computer to a network so that it can participate in network communication. And the most commonly used network card is the Ethernet network card. Nowadays, motherboards come with inbuilt network cards. It is possible to make lots of connection within the network. Now coming to networking cable. Modern Ethernet network use twisted pair cable which contains 8 wires, and both the sides of the end of the cable is connected with an Ethernet cable known as RJ45 connector. Now comes the modem. A modem enables you to connect your computer to an available internet connection over the existing telephone lines. It comes as a separate part that can be installed in the slot found on the motherboard. The most commonly used modem is D-Linked. Now coming to hubs and switches. When a network has more than 2 computers, we cannot directly connect all the computers together. For this, we need devices to help to connect one or more computers to another computers, network devices, or even other networks. And this can be done with the help of hubs and switches. In earlier times, hubs were preferred, but nowadays switches are preferred. Wireless network cards. These cards are used instead of normal network cards that are used in a wired network. These are wireless. Most laptops comes with an inbuilt wireless networks card. Children, tomorrow we will be learning about different types of network. Thank you for watching the channel, and please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever a next part of the video is uploaded of the chapter, you can be notified and learn. Thank you and have a great day.